Hello everyone, Shravan Manthri here. Welcome to our channel CSE Gurus. We are solving Hackerrank problems in the subdomain warm-up. We have done with the first two questions. Now we'll go for compare the triplets. Anyway, I have given the link of this question in the description. You can check the link. I am giving the essence of the question. You have two arrays. One is regarding Alice, other one is regarding Bob. So you have to check three things. For example, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3. You have to check the value. You have to give the score for each one, Alice and Bob. If I take Alice as A, Bob as B, so you have to check it out in the same indices 1 and 3. If first one is greater than second one, the first one Alice will get a score. Otherwise, Bob is greater than Alice, Bob will get a score. If both are equal, no one will get a score. That is, here it is given 3 points. Greater than Alice is awarded a point, less than Bob, and equal no one. So here you can say 1 less than 3. Anyway, both our initial score is 0, 0. 1 less than 3. So Bob is greater, will get 1 point. Next 2 and 2, no point. And 3 greater than 1, yes, Alice will get a score of 1. So each is getting 1, 1. That you have to print it as a output as a list. You have to return it as a list 1, 1. So you have to return the two values, which is Alice score, other one is Bob score. For example, if I take 5, 4 and 10, 8. So now 5 is greater than 4, Alice score will be incremented. 10 greater than 8, yes, Alice score will be incremented. So that's why 3, 1 to be the output if I take like this. So this is the question it is asking. The simple thing, in order to write the logic, where you have to take the index wise starting with 0, compare and increment the count separately for Alice and Bob. Finally return what is that Alice score and Bob score. We will see the code in Java. So here initially the packages, then we are checking for the function. Where is the method? Here is a method which we need to implement, where we need to return a list. That list must consist two values only, right? That is Alice score and Bob score. And compare triplets is a function where you are taking two lists. One is Alice and the other one is Bob. For example, this is the list A, this is the list B. Initially Alice score and Bob score, which are initialized to 0, which means they are initially 0 score. And we need to declare a list because the result is a list which I am declaring, because finally I need to return a list which must be, the size is exactly 2, which consists 2 integers. Now take each and every element from the list A and list B. So A dot get of I, the first element, and first element in B, B dot get of I. Checking, is a 10 greater than 5? Yes, increment Alice count. Next time, second, you go 11 and 12. 11 is greater than 12? No. So 12 is greater than 11? Yes. So increment Bob count. Next time, 13 is greater than 12, yes, increase Alice count. 20 greater than 3, yes, increase Alice count. So like this, finally we got A value as 3, B value as 1. These two values to be added into the result list. You cannot directly return. So in order to return them, so first add them. So I added that values. For this one, for example, the value 3 is added to the list, which is result.add. That add method will add the element to the list of the Alice first, then result.add Bob's next. So it will add 3, 1 inside the list, which is result, so which you are returning the result finally. That is what expected. We will run the code. Yeah, absolutely fine here. 2 test cases passed. Then submit the code. All the backend 7 test cases are passed. So you have written the code successfully. So this way easily you can write the code. And also I recommend you to watch the top 90 data structure MCQs. And here I kept totally 18 videos, which is of 5 MCQs each video. Even I kept all those 90 questions as a single video, that is top 90 data structures MCQs. You can see each one. You can either go for playlist or you can watch it as a single video.